after harvesting, the crops, the grains are to be stored, because crop production is done on such a large scale. So these crops are to be stored properly. So this process comes under the last agricultural activity, that is storage. Okay, so what is storage? Storing grains after harvesting. They are stored usually in jute bags or metal bins by the farmers. They are stored in jute bags or metal bins. So before storing the crops, the grains contains moisture. They have water content in them. So that moisture can cause the attack of the pest. So before storage, the grains should be properly dried in the sun. Before storage, the grains should be properly dried in the sun to reduce the moisture content in them. If we do not do it, then what will happen? Pests like rats, rodents, insects and other microorganisms will attack on the grains and damage our crop. The grains should be protected from pests like rats, rodent, insects and microorganisms, because they will damage the crop, damage the grains, and it will not be available for the consumption. It will not be fit for the consumption of grains. So this prevention can be done by putting dried neem leaves. All of you must have seen your mothers putting dry neem leaves in storage jars of pulses. Ask your mother, she will tell you. So this can be done by putting dried neem leaves in the containers. Also on large scale treatments, on large scale storage, chemical treatment is provided. There are tablets which kills the pest like rodents, insects and microorganisms. So that tablets are added in the storage tanks to prevent the grains from the attack of microorganism, insects and rodents. Okay, so large scale storage means when large